Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and using your time wisely in studying. Okay children, welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. So children, in today's revision, we are going to revise the lesson, the telltale nails. Okay children, before going to revise the lesson, let us recall the new words from this lesson. Okay. So the first one is red. Okay children, what is the meaning of red? Not seen before. Red means strange. Not seen before. Okay. The second one is visitor. Visitor means one who visits the person or place. One who visits the person or place. Okay. Third one, prove. Prove means to show that something is true. Okay. Prove means to show that something is true. Then fourth one, realize. Realize means to become aware, to see clearly. Fifth one, reward. Reward means prize. Okay children. So, before going to revise the lesson, let us know about the Tenali Rama. Okay children. So, Tenali Rama was the famous poet in the court of Krishna Deva Raya. He is not only the poet, he is a scholar, thinker and great advisor, special advisor in the court of Krishna Deva Raya. He is one of the Ashtadiggajas, means 8th poet in the Krishna Deva Raya's court. Who is the Krishna Deva Raya is the emperor of the Vijayanagara Samrajya. Okay children. So let us recall the lesson. Let us revise the lesson. Let us open page number 39 from your textbook. Okay. It was well known that the Krishna Deva Raya was fond of many rare animals and birds. Fond means children having an affection. Fond. Having an affection. Having an affection or liking for. He is liking for many rare animals and birds. He is very fond of many rare animals and birds, and he had many beautiful rare animals. Rare means not seen before. He had many beautiful animals and birds in his palace. In the garden of his palace. Okay children. So one day what happened? One day the visitor means one who visits the person. The visitor came to Krishna Deva Raya's court. He brought one strange looking bird in the cage, and he said to king that bowing his head. Bowing his head means giving respect to the king. Okay. Bowing his head, he said, "Your Majesty, I had caught this bird yesterday in the forest." He said that he caught that bird in the forest yesterday, and that bird is very beautiful. And he said this bird is very beautiful. It can talk like parrot, and it can dance like peacock, and it can also sing sweetly like cuckoo, and colorful. It is like colorful like peacock. He said this. He describes about the bird in front of the king, and he said that he came to sell that bird to the king. And the king, after seeing that bird, the king agreed that that bird is rare. Rare means not seen before, and he agreed that that bird is very colorful and rare bird, and he agreed to take that bird from the visitor. Okay, and he ordered who? The king ordered to the court treasurer. Court treasurer means one who looks after the gold in the palace of the king. And the king ordered the court treasurer to give him 50 golden coins. Okay, and put that cage in the palace garden. Then, after observing this all the things, the Tenali Rama suddenly got up from his place and bowing before king, means giving respect to the king, he said, "Your Majesty, I don't think that this bird can dance like rain, dance in the rain like peacock." He said that he don't think that bird can dance in the rain. That bird cannot dance in the rain like peacock. And if the king let him, he can prove that that bird is cannot dance like peacock in the rain. And the king was in confusion because he did not know anything that visitor is lying in front of him. Then he nodded his head, means he agreed. He has given chance to Tenali Rama to prove. Prove means to show that something is true. The Tenali Rama asked him to give the permission to show the truth. Okay, he wanted to prove the truth in front of the king. He knows that the visitor is lying in front of king. So Tenali Rama got the permission from the king. The king was in confusion. He nodded his head, means he has given the permission and allowed the Tenali Rama to prove the point. Then the Tenali Rama picked a big jug with full of water and poured on the bird which has in the cage. The Tenali Rama put a big jug full of water and he started to pour that water on the bird. Then the colored water started flowing off the bird's body. When he started to pour the water, that time whatever the color the visitor applied to the bird, whatever the color the visitor applied to the bird has started to flow off from the bird's body. Okay. Then everyone in the court, after looking this all, whatever the Tenali Rama was doing, everyone was in the court surprised. Tenali Rama continued to pour the water on the bird. Okay children, the rare bird, the strange bird, colorful bird turned into normal pigeon, brown, ordinary light brown pigeon. Why children? Because the visitor has applied the colors on the pigeon. He is lying in front of the king that bird is rare bird and he wanted the reward from the king by saying lie in front of the king. The king was very surprised after observing this all, whatever the Tenali Rama has done in front of him. Looking first at the bird and then at the Tenali Rama. He asked the Tenali Rama, how did you realize that the bird had been colored? The bird had been dyed in the colorful, false colors. The Tenali Rama, the king asked to the Tenali Rama that how did he realize that bird had colored in the false colors? Then he replied that from the visitor's nails, Your Majesty. The Tenali Rama replied that he realized means to become aware, to see clearly. He realized that from the nails from the visitor's nail, he realized that bird had been colored in the false colors. The colors which the visitor has used on the birds still present on the visitor's nails of the fingers. The visitor tried, after saying this, the visitors tried to run away. Why he tried to run away children? Because he was lying in front of the king. The king comes to know whatever he has done. So the king, after knowing this, the king, he realized that the king going to give him a punishment. So he tried to run away from that place. But the palace guards who were looking after the palace, the guards caught him and put him in the prison. Prison means jail. Okay, children? So, and the 50 gold coins. What about the 50 gold coins, children? Who do you think who has got those 50 golden coins? Yes, Tenali Rama, because he proved in front of the king that visitor was lying in front of the king. So, the king Krishnadeva has given the reward 50 golden coins to the Tenali Rama. Okay, children? Now, let us solve the question answers. Means exercise part of this lesson. Let us solve the questions. Question number main 1. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay, children. So, let me write the first question. So, the first question is, name the king in the story. Name the king in the story. So, what was the name of the king, children? Yes, the name of the king is Krishnadeva Raya. Answer is the name of the king is the name of the king Krishnadeva Raya. Second one. What was the king fond of? What was the king fond of, children? What was the king liking for? Yes, the king was fond of birds and animals. What was the king fond of? Question mark. Answer is the king fond of birds and animals. Third one. How did Tenali Raman realize that visitor was the foolish king? How did, third one. How did the Tenali Raman realize that the visitor was foolish king? How did Tenali Raman realize that the visitor was a foolish king? Tenali Raman saw the color of the birds present on the visitor's nails and fingers and realized that the visitor was foolish in the king. Tenali Raman saw the colors of Tenali Raman saw the colors of the birds present on visitor's name. Present on visitors' nails and fingers. And realize that the king was foolish, the foolish king. The visitor was foolish king. Foolish the king. Okay, children. So the first one is name the king in the story. The name of the king is Krishna Deva Raya. Second one, what was the king fond of? The king fond of the birds and animals. Third one, how did the Tenali Raman realize that the visitor was foolish in the king? Tenali Raman saw the colors of the birds present on visitors' nails and fingers and realized that the visitor was foolish in the king. So these are the question answers. Let us move to the fourth one. Okay, children. Now you have to start writing by pausing the video in the ruled paper 2 times. Okay, children. Let us move to the fourth question. The fourth question is, how did the bird catcher describe the bird to the king? Fourth one, how did the bird catcher describe the bird to the king? How did the bird catcher describe the bird to the king? Okay, children. The bird catcher described the bird as very beautiful as the strange, and he even said that the bird can sweetly sing like cuckoo, talk like parrot, and dance like peacock. Okay, children. The bird catcher. So the answer is the bird catcher described the bird as very beautiful as very beautiful and strange. He even said He even said that the bird can sweetly, the bird can sweetly sing like cuckoo and dance like a peacock and can speak like bat. Okay, children. So the answer is the bird catcher described the bird as very beautiful and strange. He even said that the bird can sweetly sing like cuckoo and dance like peacock and speak like a parrot. Okay, children. So these are the four questions. You have to write in the ruled paper 2 times. Okay, children. Now let us revise the contractions. Okay. So children, let us open page number 42 from your test. So contraction. A contraction is one word or more words. A contraction is one word made up from 2 words. One or more letters can remove and replace with an apostrophe. A contraction is one word made up from 2 words and a letter. One or more letters can be removed and placed with an apostrophe. Okay, children? A contraction is one word made up from 2 words. One or more letters can be removed and placed with an apostrophe. So that is known as contraction. Okay? Contraction. Contraction. Contraction is one word made from 2 words Contraction is one word made from 2 words. One or more letters can remove. One or more letters are removed. And placed with an apostrophe. With an apostrophe. So this is the apostrophe sign, children. Okay. So I am. For example, let us see here. I am. So here. So this is the example, children. See, I am. So this is the one word contraction. The contraction is one word made up from 2 words. Can you see here 1, 2? 1 and 2. A contraction is one word made up from 2 words. one or more letters can be removed and placed with an apostrophe. Understood, children? Have you understood now? Contraction is one word. I am. It is one word made up from two words and removed one or more letter. Here one letter removed. One or more letter can be removed and replaced with an apostrophe. This is the apostrophe sign. So this is known as contraction. Okay, children. Let us see one more. I will. So here I will. There are two words. Here I am going to remove the two letters W and I, so that letters, that words can replaced with apostrophe, and now it is one word. So contraction is one word made up from two words. One or two more letters can be removed and replaced with an apostrophe. So this is known as contraction, children. I am, I will. Okay, children. Now let us solve the exercise part of it. Hope you have understood. Contraction is one word made up from two words. One or more letters can be removed and replaced with an apostrophe. Okay, children. Now let us solve the exercise part of the contraction. Question number main 2. Write the contraction for these words. Write the contractions for these words. It is. First question is it is. Second one, they are. Third one, you will. Fourth one, we are. So children, here see how the one or more letter can be removed and placed with an apostrophe. So children, here I get removed and replaced with an apostrophe S. Okay children, here the I get removed and replaced with apostrophe. Now it is. Okay. They are. Here A and R get removed. Here A get removed and replaced with apostrophe. They are E. Okay children, they are. So this is the short form of contraction. You will. Here W and I get removed and replaced with an apostrophe. U apostrophe double L. Okay children, this is the contraction. We are. Here A get removed and replaced with apostrophe. Okay. So like this you should write for the contractions. Then for fifth one, we have sixth one, she will. Seventh one, I have. Eighth one, she is. Okay, we have. So here H and A get removed and replaced with apostrophe VE. Okay. Here she will. Here W and I get removed and replaced with apostrophe double L. She will. Okay. Here I have. Here H and A get removed and replaced with apostrophe I apostrophe VEI have. Here she is. Here I get removed and she apostrophe S. So like this we have to use the contraction for these words, children. Okay. It is, they are, you will, we were, we have, she will, I have, she is. Okay children. Like this we should write by using apostrophe. Now start writing the question number into contractions in the rule paper 2 times by pausing the video. Okay children. Let us move to the third exercise. And that is, write the long form of these contractions. The third one is write the long forms for these contractions. They have given the contractions already. We have to write the long form of it, children. Write the long form for these contractions. So the first one is he is. Second one, it will. Third one, they will. Fourth one, we were. Fifth one, we have. Sixth one, you are. So for these contractions, we should write the long form, children. So what will be the answer? We have to write the long form by adding the one more word. Okay, children? He is. It will. W-R-L-L will. So we have to write the two words here. Here for making one word contraction, we have removed the letters. Here again we have to add those letters to create the long form of these contractions. They will. W-I-L-L. They will. Okay children, now we are. So here V-A-R-E are is the long form. We have. V-H-A-V-E. We have. You are. Y-O-U. A-R-E-R. In the long form, we should not add the apostrophe, children. Okay? So the contraction is one word made up from two words by adding the apostrophe and removing the letters. Okay, children? Now let us move to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks using some, much, any or many. Okay children? So some, much, any, many are the quantity words. We are using the quantity words to show the quantity of the things. Okay children? Now we have to see the quantity words. Some means little, much means more, any, and many. So these are the quantity words which we use to show the quantity of the things. Okay children, now let us solve the exercise of it. Question number 4. Main question number 4. Fill in the blanks using fill in the blanks using some, much, any, many. Some, much, any, many. So the first question is, there are dash birds sitting on the tree. Can you see the picture children in the textbook? How many birds are there? More than one. Okay. So the first question is, there are dash birds. There are dash birds sitting on the tree. How many birds are there? More than one, no children? Let me write all the questions first. Later we will write the answer. Second one, I cannot see them because there is not dash sunlight. I cannot see them. I cannot see them because there is not dash sunlight. They are dash birds sitting on the tree. Second question is, I cannot see them because there is not sunlight. Third one, I have bought dash books from the shop. I have bought dash books from the shop. Okay. Fourth one, yes, but you do not have. Yes, but you do not have. Do not have dash space to keep them. Dash space to keep them. Okay children, so the first question is, they are dash birds sitting on the tree. So what we should write? Which quantity words we should write children there? Many. We should write many because there are, see in the picture, there are more than one bird. Means there are 3 birds. So we should write here, there are many birds sitting on the tree. I cannot see them because there is not dash sunlight. So here we should write much because I can't see there is not much sunlight to see properly. Okay. Third one, I had bought dash books from the shop. Here we should write some. I have bought some books from the shop. In the picture you can see the boy is carrying only few books. So we should write some. Okay. Fourth one, yes, but you don't have dash space to keep them. Any space means little space. So these are the quantity words, children, we have to use in the sentence according to the quantity of the things. Now you have to write the question number 4 in the ruled paper 2 times. This is your homework, children. Write revision 9 in ruled paper 2 times. So this is your homework, children. Now hope you all have understood the revision of the story, the telltale snails and the contraction and the quantity words. Okay, children, hope you have understood. Now here ends our today's class. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.